In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install ChatGPT Atlas on Mac. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to chatgpt.com/atlas. Then we need to select download for macOS. Then if we go to our downloads folder and double click the chatgpt_atlas.dmg file, it will open this window. We now need to drag the ChatGPT Atlas application into the applications folder. Now we can find and open Atlas from our applications. From this screen, we can select login with ChatGPT, then sign in with our ChatGPT account. It will now give you an option to import your data from Chrome, such as save passwords, bookmarks, and browsing history. I'm going to select skip. On make your cursor a collaborator, we can read what this does and then click continue. Then we have an option to make ChatGPT Atlas our default browser. I'm going to click skip and then done. We can now start using ChatGPT Atlas. Click this video if you want a full tutorial on ChatGPT Atlas. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.